Hello everyone. In this quick tech video, I'm going to show you how to use the snipping tool in Windows 10. In the search tab on the bottom left of your screen, start typing snipping tool, and this will pop up. You can easily pin the snipping tool to your taskbar. From this point, you right click and say pin to taskbar, and it shows up down here on your Windows taskbar. To use the snipping tool, simply click on the application and a window will pop up. To use the snipping tool, you can either click New or Mode. The New button will start snipping in any previously selected mode, and the Mode button allows you to select the way you wish to snip your pictures. To choose the snipping mode, click on Mode, and a drop-down menu of options will appear. The Freeform Snip will allow you to move your cursor in any shape around an area you choose. Rectangular Snip will allow you to drag the cursor in a rectangle around an object. The window snip will let you select one of your active windows and do a full screen snip of that window and capture the entire screen. The full screen snip will capture your entire screen automatically, including any additional monitors if you have more than one. To demonstrate some of the modes, we'll start off with a rectangular snip, as that's the most common one that's used. By clicking on the rectangular snip option, your screen will turn white, and you can now left click and hold one corner of the area you wish to begin your snip and drag it across the entire selection within the rectangle. Releasing the left mouse button will pop up the snipping tool window in your snip selection, allowing you to make changes. On the toolbar, you have the option to highlight by choosing the highlight button here. You can also use the pen option. There's also the eraser feature here to let you undo any of the changes that you've made in case you make a mistake. Click the eraser, and then click on the item you wish to remove. There's also a copy button here that will allow you to copy your snipped image to your clipboard, which will allow you to paste it into something such as a Word document, or you can send it here as an email to someone. With the edit button, you can also copy your clipboard here. If you wish to do additional editing, you can edit it with other applications you have installed on your computer, such as 3D Paint. You can say New, you can save it, you can print it, or exit if you do not wish to keep the snip. The Freeform Snip will give you a cursor that you can then left click and hold, drawing in any form you wish around an area you wish to snip. Once again, after you release the left mouse button, a new window with your snip will pop up and allow you to make changes, email, or save your snip. With the window snip mode, you simply click on the window you want and the snip tool will appear with the window you selected ready to edit. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more quick tech how-to videos.